Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to craft the windmill in Icarus. Over on your tech tree you'll be able to find the windmill in the tier 3 section. You can craft this in the machining bench and the recipe calls for 25 steel ingots, 50 stone, 50 refined wood and finally 25 pieces of rope. It's fairly cheap, with the steel ingots being the only expensive material. To make steel ingots, you're going to need to make the steel bloom. There's multiple recipes for this, so you can choose whichever one you want. All you have to do is craft the steel bloom and then just shove it into a concrete furnace or a higher tier furnace. Give it some time until it turns into a steel ingot. The refined wood can be made in the carpentry bench. Just by using one piece of wood, you can make 5 pieces of refined wood. So you're not going to need that much wood to make the required materials for the windmill. Now the windmill is a big structure, so you're going to have to place this outside, or if your base is tall enough, then you can place it wherever you want. In case you didn't know, the windmill is basically a faster and efficient version of the mortar and pestle, and that's about it on how to craft the windmill in Icarus.